In front of me is HONOR X7c, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Flowers. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluid Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then hit Consent in the pop-up, and to manage wallpaper settings, click at the top left corner. Then you can select one of those preset options over here, choose Yes, and adjust all of its settings however you want to. When you're ready, click at the top right corner and the bottom right corner. Then choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Here Yes, tap on Apply, and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!